Welcome to Connolly Cove, your go-to destination for travel inspiration. Today, we're taking you on a journey to the picturesque coastal town of Parga, Greece. With its rich history, captivating castle, and pristine city beach, Parga offers a perfect blend of relaxation and exploration. Parga's history dates back to ancient times, and it's a place that has seen its fair share of battles, conquerors, and legends. The town was under Venetian, Ottoman, and French rule before becoming part of Greece. Its captivating history is written in its charming old town streets and architecture. As you stroll through the cobblestone streets, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. Don't forget to visit the Venetian Castle, perched high on a hill, providing panoramic views of Parga and the Ionian Sea. The Venetian Castle is an iconic landmark in Parga. It was built in the 11th century and stands proudly above the town. Exploring the castle is a must when visiting Parga. You'll be rewarded with breathtaking views of the town, the turquoise waters of the Ionian Sea, and the lush green surroundings. It's a perfect spot to capture that Instagram-worthy shot, or simply immerse yourself in history and natural beauty. Now let's talk about relaxation. Parga boasts some of the most beautiful beaches, and Valtos Beach is a gem you can't miss. With its golden sands and crystal clear waters, it's an ideal spot to unwind and soak up the Mediterranean sun. Whether you're into water sports, sunbathing, or simply taking a leisurely stroll along the shoreline, Valtos Beach has something for everyone. So there you have it, an enchanting blend of history and relaxation in Parga, Greece. From the winding streets of the old town to the majestic Venetian castle and the pristine Valtos Beach, Parga offers a diverse range of experiences. If you enjoyed this virtual trip to Parga, don't forget to hit that follow button and give us a thumbs up to support Connolly Cove. And, as always, stay tuned for more exciting travel destinations on our channel.